The cross at Cortalim Ferry Point, located in the picturesque state of Goa, is a well-known landmark and has a unique history. It is known as the Cross of Miracles and was built in the early 17th century by the Portuguese to protect sailors from the perils of the Arabian Sea. Legend has it that a group of sailors was caught in a violent storm and feared for their lives. They prayed to the cross on the shore, and miraculously the storm subsided and they were able to make it safely to land. In addition to its religious significance, the cross, now in a state of ruin, was once a popular tourist attraction. The area around the cross is also a great place to enjoy scenic beauty of the river and the surrounding landscape. Every year, the villagers from the vicinity would celebrate the Holy Eucharist with great fervour and zeal. Unfortunately, in the recent years, this tradition is no longer prevalent in the village. Yet, the Cross of Miracles at Cortalim Ferry Point is a fascinating example of the rich cultural heritage of Goa and serves as a testament to the enduring power of true faith and undying devotion.